dairy worker contracts avian flu in United States. In May, the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, or CDC, announced a third human case of highly pathogenic avian influenza A virus amid a multi-state outbreak in industrial dairy cow residence. Unlike the first two cases, which involved only conjunctivitis, the third featured watery eyes, coughing, congestion, and a sore throat. The CDC's principal deputy director, Dr. Nirav Shah, warned that these symptoms are concerning because a coughing person may be more likely to spread the disease than one with an eye infection. As of June 14, 2024, over 100 known infected commercial dairy cow people operations existed across the U.S. as workers functioned in unsanitary conditions and in proximity to cow individuals. Many thanks, CDC and Dr. Nirav Shah, for your warnings. May all countries swiftly end industrial animal people meat and dairy production to herald a disease-free vegan world in God's enlightening guidance. There's a whole section on climate science that covers the effects of animal agriculture on the climate, which we know, alongside fossil fuels, is substantial and probably underestimated. Jainism advocates for eating the least violent diet possible, which we know today is veganism. Dr. Christopher J. Miller, PhD, vegan.
Umpire picks up injured pigeon person on tennis court during French Open. Umpire Damien Dumoussoir rescued an injured pigeon individual who was unable to fly away after landing on a clay court at Roland-Garros Stadium in Paris, France. Mr. Dumoussoir was the chair umpire for the French Open third-round match between Tomasz Makasz and Daniil Medvedev. During a changeover break, before announcing the resumption of the match, umpire Dumoussoir got down from his chair and was able to rat the pigeon citizen who was struggling to fly in a towel, garnering cheers from the audience. Holding the sweet bird resident gently, the kind umpire transferred the avian friend to another tournament staff person as spectators warmly applauded. How beautiful to see loving kindness in action. Our heartfelt thanks, Damien Dumoussoir, for your tender assistance to a little pigeon person in need. May the avian citizen fully recover and resume normal living in celestial oneness.
2023 was the hottest year we have ever recorded. It was so hot that climate scientists are still coming to terms with what happened. The year broke countless records while breaking our weather across the world. But climate scientists are already predicting that 2024 could be even hotter. What do we need to do to stop our home from overheating?
Go vegan. What else to do, man?
Simple choices that we make every day, 3 times a day, can help protect our planet.
Vegan is the way to go for the least impact on the planet. If I swapped beef out entirely for lentils, well, I'm down to practically nothing in emissions.
If everybody went vegan, we estimated that the food-related greenhouse gas emissions could be reduced by 3/4.